Alright, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be swapping out the handle on my van. Handle broke off when somebody was opening the door, and it's been a while, and so I figured it was time to replace it. To do this, obviously most of it's going to have to be done on the inside, so I've gone ahead and removed the seat that sits in front of the door just to make it a lot easier to access the panel and everything that I'm going to have to take out in order to replace the handle. Now you'll notice that I could not find the right color handle, so I'm just using a black one, and maybe I'll get some paint at some point and paint it the right color. Let's get started. We're going to find out live whether or not it's actually going to work. It looks right, so that's all I have to go off of so far. I'll have to fit it in and find out together. So typically these panels just kind of pop off. Ashtray, you just push down a little bit on that, that'll pop out. They call them ashtrays anymore? Anybody actually use them? So this piece, this little cup holder, the outside of it looks like it's separate from the inside of it. So you kind of pull up on it and the bottom pops out. And now I can actually access that screw that's in here. Let's get this off. Okay, so now we have access to all the inner workings of the door. Looks like we have this little plastic that'll come out. We've got a few 10mm screws that are holding bolts that are holding the handle to the car. Looks like this is going to be fairly straightforward. I've got the two bolts removed from the inside of the handle, so the handle actually pops right off now. Now it's just a matter of getting the connecting piece in there. It has a small little opening here that the cable is going to have to swing around and then pull out. That out. Oh, there we go. There it is, the old handle, what's left of it. So we'll take the new one here and just basically put it back on in the opposite direction. So put it in on the outside here, line up my holes. This will slide up from the bottom, work its way around, snap up into that. The bolts will go back in. Alright, so we rescued the screws. Now we are putting the screws back into the handle. Got one of them started already, and I just need to tighten it up now. Alright. I can get this other one in without dropping it again. I'm going to actually take my own advice, and I'm going to use an extension this time. Put it right through here. And perhaps that will help me not drop this thing down. Alright. Seems like that worked pretty well. Stick my the plastic back up there. Seal it all the way around. Take my panel, get it reattached. This little screw here that needs to go back in. This piece will slide back in, pop in. This piece will go in from the bottom, hook on there, like so. So when my kids are smoking, we have the ashtray. There's the new handle. So nice. Very cool. Thanks a lot for watching.